Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. I want a presentation about my daily English of English for accounting. The first, thank you very much for Mr. and all of students. First time I wanna introduce myself first. My name is Siri Solecha. You can call me Echa. English for accounting is about chapter 1, talking about greetings, introduction, and small talk. Greeting is an act of communication in which human beings internationally make their presence known to each other, to show attention to and to suggest a type of relationship, usually cardinal or social status, formal or informal, between individuals or groups or people coming in contact with each other. The second is introduction. Introduction is a situation where a person introduces him or herself to another person, or some people to make people know about him or her. As like me, the first I have to introduce myself for you, and the third is small talk. Small talk is an informal type of discover that doesn't cover any functional topics and conversation or any transaction that need to be addressed. The chapter 2 is talking about how to start conversation. When you are being confused for the first time, for people you don't know, you can introduce yourself. If you are meeting someone for the first time, you can always start the conversation by introduce yourself like, hi, what's your name? This is so cool. My name is Echa, and anything. The second, about ask the person how they ended up in the situation you are all in. This mainly applies to new people, but you could also use it to start a conversation with someone you've attached to briefly. As like this, how long have you been working here? The third is comment on the situation. As like, this class was pretty interesting. And the fourth is ask a question about the situation. Sometimes you will actually have a question about the situation you are in, and it's only natural to use it to start talking someone. The example is, I missed the first class, did the first hand out of course outline. The Chapter 3 will be talking about accounting or financial statement. What is accounting? Accounting is the process of recording financial transactions pertaining to a business. Financial accounting is a specialist branch of accounting that keeps track of a company's financial transactions using standardized rules. The transactions are recorded, summarized, and presented in a financial report or financial statement, such as an income statement or balance sheet. What is financial? Financial usually refers to money, matters, or transactions of some size or important financial result. Financial is a third adjective, or finance. Finance is a term broadly describing the study and system of money, investment, and other financial instruments. Financial statement is the combination of the three major reports on a business. It will contain the cash flow statement, the income statement, and the balance sheet of the business. All there together produce an overall picture of the health of business. The four types of financial statement. First is statement of financial position. What is statement of financial position, also known as the balance sheet? Present the financial position of an entity at given date. It is comprised of the following three elements. The first is asset. Asset is something a business owns or controls. Example is cash, inventory, plant, and machinery. The second is liabilities. Liabilities is something a business owns to someone. Example is creditors, bank loans, and anything. The third is equity. What the business owns to its owners. This represents the amount of capital that remains in the business after its assets are used to pay off its outstanding liabilities. Equity, therefore, represents the difference between the asset and liabilities. Next. Second of financial statement is income statement. Income statement, also known as the profit and loss statement, reports the company financial performance in terms of net profit or loss over a specific period. Income statement is composed of the following two elements. The first is income, what the business has earned over a period. Example, sales revenue, dividend income, and anything. The second is expense, the cost incurred by the business over a period. Example is salaries expense and wage expense, depreciation expense, rental charge, and anything. Net profit or loss is arrived by deducting expense from income. The three, cash flow statement. Cash flow statement presents the move in cash and bank balance over a period. The movement in cash flow is classified into the following segments. First is operating activities. It represents the cash flow from primary activities of a business. Second is investing activities. Represents cash flow from the purchase and sale of assets other than inventories. Example, purchase of a factory plant. The third is financing activities. Represents cash flow generated or spent on raising and repaying share capital and debt together with the payments of interest and dividend. The fourth is statement of change in equity. Statement of change in equity, also known as the statement of retained earnings, detail the movement in owner's equity over a period. The movement in owner's equity is derived from the following components. Is net profit or loss during the period as reported in the income statement. Share capital issue or repaid during the period, dividend payments, gain or loss recognized directly in equity. Example, revaluation surplus. Effects of a change in accounting policy or correction of accounting error. And please view detailed explanation and example of statement of change in equity. Look at the picture. Their balance sheet at the start of a period. And thank you very much. The last I say, I'm so sorry for a wrong word and anything. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.